This circuit is basically automatic volume control. It is used to maintain the magnitude of output of the receivers, so that's why it is using. So in this case it is a circuitry, some fraction of samples is taking from the, so it is connected as the intermediate frequency amplifier, and then it is going to the audio frequency amplifier, and one part is taking from the, which is generated the AVC bias, automatic volume control. So in this circuitry basically diode is connected in reverse bias condition with the parallelly with the some capacitor and series with the resistance. So AVC keep the receiver's output substantially constant with the variation of variation with the time, the variation in the receiver's input voltage. So that's why the magnitude of receiver input voltage is changes due to the fading or the different signal strength. Automatic volume control remove this type of effect of the due to the variations. AVC circuit are basically sample a fraction of detector output and convert it into the AVC bias voltage, which is a negative bias. So as the receiver signal increases, AVC bias, negative bias value is also increases. Then it reduce the gain of radio frequency amplifier, intermediate frequency amplifier. Because of this, AVC bias is basically connected to the radio frequency and intermediate frequency amplifier. So that's why it reduces the gain. So the output of receiver is maintained constant. So there are the various types of AVC circuit. The simple AVC circuit is this circuit is discussed as is the simple AVC circuit, and it is used only for the low magnitude signals at the receiver inputs. It reduce the sensitivity of the receivers if we are using the simple AVC. In case it is desirable, AVC should be operative only for the strong input signals. This is possible by the only using of the delay type of AVC circuitry, which can be obtained by the using of diode is using in the forward bias conditions. So in this case we can use the AVC filter circuit, use the forward bias diode, then it will be provide the more improvement over the simple AVC circuit. But the further improvement is required. We can use the amplifying and the delayed AVC circuit by using of the some DC amplifiers. Some characteristics can be see that simple AVC circuit is this, and delayed AVC using for the large amplitude signals. The graph is between the input carrier voltage with versus the output audio voltage of receivers. So in this case the simple AVC, then the delayed AVC using for the strong signals. So and if we are using the DC amplifier which provide the amplified and delayed AVC, which is near about the ideal AVC properties. Okay, this is a complete circuit for the automatic volume control.